In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your PayPal from a Lloyds bank account. We'll walk through the exact taps you need to make in the PayPal app so you can move money from your Lloyds bank account into your PayPal balance quickly and confidently. Make sure you're signed into the official PayPal app on your phone and that your internet connection is stable. Having your Lloyds debit card nearby will also make this smoother. First, you'll want to confirm that your Lloyds bank account is linked to your PayPal. Open the PayPal app and look for the wallet icon in the bottom right corner. Tap that, then go to Bank Accounts and Cards. If you can already see your Lloyds card or account listed there, you're all set and can jump to adding money. If not, tap Add New. You'll have two simple options: scan your debit card using your phone's camera or manually enter your card details. Take a moment to double check the card number, expiry date and security code and make sure the name on the card matches the name on your PayPal account. You might be asked to confirm the addition through your bank's security checks. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once it's linked, you're ready to move funds. Now head back to the PayPal home screen and find your PayPal balance. Tap it, then choose Add Money. This is where you select the source of the funds. Pick your linked Lloyds bank account from the list. Review the on-screen details. Confirm the amount you want to add if prompted. And when everything looks correct, tap Pay Now to start the transfer. That's all you need to do. Your money will now be added to your PayPal account. In many cases, the transfer appears quickly. If it takes a little longer, don't worry, processing times can vary based on your bank and connection. You can always check the status by opening the activity section in PayPal to see the most recent transactions. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: make sure you have enough available balance in your Lloyds account before you start, and keep your PayPal app updated to the latest version to avoid glitches. If you see a small temporary charge or authorization from PayPal, that's a standard security check and it usually clears automatically. And if a transfer doesn't go through, verify your card details, confirm any security notifications from your bank, and try again on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Follow these steps and you'll be able to top up your PayPal balance from Lloyds Bank anytime you need. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.